You bought them, right?
You make me buy them.
Doesn't matter, babe.
2 drinks, water.
Aren't you hungry?
Not really. Right now I just want to take a dip in our water. Why you look soppy?
What?
Why you soppy?
The same place bring back memories. We're always coming for a bread and cheese date, babe. I'm so happy.
Can't wait to take a dip in our water now. Alright, I want to talk to you about a few things.
Okay, I'm listening.
I know say that talk about recently you did tell me about you want to talk to me about something. What do you want to talk to me about?
Alright, so a long time married, you remember that, right? 5 years now we've been together. From high school.
Yeah.
And now we're 18, so
Yeah.
I think we should take our relationship to the next level. As least us moving in, living together, start life together, start a fresh brand new life, a family, you know,
Yeah.
make life together. It's been some time since we're dating, babe.
Yeah, I know that.
It's been a long time.
Well, how me feel about that? I don't know for sure if we did it yet. Cause you still go at university. I'll be going 6th form right now. So it's hard to think about for moving when we are going to different places. You know, it's the way I work, so we have make money, but we don't make enough money. Can't really think about for moving somewhere yet. You get what I say?
Seems like you're here to spoil my day.
How may I spoil the day?
Let me see your phone.
Where you asked me for it?
Just want to check if I meet any new friend. Let me see your phone.
Alright. Cause I don't understand how you don't meet nobody. How meeting anybody would have caused me to think about for that moving. I not even know say you reach that point in life where you are moving.
Yeah.
See nobody in my phone.
Did I say that?
I just my family and friends.
It doesn't matter whether we want to be young or we not make enough money. We can start life together. All we need is just the drive and ambition. Right? What I want to become. What I want to become in the future.
You know, so I become, I want to build my own business, I want to build my own company. I want to become rich.
So I want to be a businessman.
Yes.
Well, that's great. I want to be an attorney. And since we want to be a businessman, we can always open multiple law firms in the future. We can work together as a team, so that's a great look.
Yeah.
So and so.
I'm not so no way, I'm just 100%. I have to think about it. If I say you have to think about it, I can't just up and say, let's do this.
You love me?
Yes.
You know me love you, right?
Yes.
So once you love me and me love you, things can work. We just need faith. Just start something.
Alright. But wait, bud. You know alright, bud?
So what you sound so? This
How
is
we
the wrong
sound?
moment.
Alright,
You sound so negative and cross. What's the problem?
Middle day. Alright. I just remember say east side I was supposed to be you caught me off guard. But we try to remember.
You're just trying to spoil every single thing. This is our moment, celebration of our romantic relationship for over 5 years. Anyways.
Alright, me sorry. You know what's my love you? At Easter. We just enjoy we bud.
Okay.
Put a smile on your face, you don't say you want to smile. Okay.
Sure.
Alright. Oh, so how school are going right now? Teacher never give a problem?
No. Never.
Alright. So if we're gonna look for somewhere to live, we're going to have to check out a few places. You know the place?
Not really, but I can always check maybe Facebook and Instagram and see what's there. I can ask a relative or a friend or someone. Somebody must know somebody.
Alright.
So you can leave that up to me to like check out places and get the most reasonable price.
Yeah.
Trust me?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
May I go to my bathroom and come back? Yo. Well, go on. No, brother, right now, something I go through right now. My man tell me, say, she want to move in. Brother, you can't talk right now. So what do you mean I can't talk now? Brother, you're the only person we can't talk to right now. You already know some father in the day in my life. I can't get what other male perspective I can't get. I'm not talk to no woman, brother. Alright. May I link somebody else? I know somebody I can link for talk about this. Cause right now I need some advice. Alright, I'll link you later though. Alright. Only one person can't kind of long time since I see him still so. Alright. Alright, run this.
That's a very long, amazing bathroom break.
Yeah, it was. Okay, you don't need time for bun though. Could I never wait for me?
Okay.
Uncle Public! Welcome, my boy. Welcome. You remember how?
Pumba, you go long to see, boy.
Long time though.
Jesus Christ, you grow big man. So
Yeah.
what going?
You know, say, I check me, I come check you though. Cause, you know how, like, you're my uncle.
Mm-hmm.
But some of that no father in my life now. And you there in my life for a very long time.
Hold on, you in trouble?
No, I'm not in
Bad
trouble.
man running up?
No! I don't know this. Nobody think that. I don't know this. I
So
just
what
want to
go?
come check you.
Mm.
You know, say, you know, by 18 now.
Pumba, time fly that mean. Now knows the one is a peep. Yo, go on, go do something and find something, there, man.
How with that?
Are you all auntie? You know what I
Auntie.
mean? She just tormented and all these things. But hold on, back to you now. So what you say?
Uh,
Because you know, it's been a while since I see you. I'm glad to know say you think about relationship and all these things. So you second with a girl or something?
you know, say that? Because I just left high school the other day. I still go to university. 6 hours a day now.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, I work, I make a little thing. So,
Listen to me, Javi. A long time, you know, you don't really explain yourself properly, because you want to tell me what go on, but you don't really want to tell me what go on. Tell me what go on. Well, you have a girlfriend, you want to move with or something with what? You planning to do some robbery, what? What?
I'm moving with her.
You're moving with a girl?
Eh,
You serious?
but woman,
So how long are they together now? Because you're 18, so what?
5 years.
5 years?
Eh,
So means the whole of high school. Alright, you are going.
yeah.
When you're moving with a woman, it is plain and straight. Make sure you have a woman on the side, just in case.
On the side?
Yes. Reason because if you ever go put everything in a she, when she flip the switch for you, you know so for your fuse blow. And for your uncle can nothing but say, boy, I wish my little nephew will have a better understanding of woman. A woman will mad your brother. You understand me I say? I wonder if you understand me, I said to you.
Maybe I understand. I just, the woman there over there, I knows you for herself.
As usual, you know that's stuff you have to stay. But listen to me, as I said before, take this thing serious. You understand? Come here, try to break up your heart to go start my business. You want to go check her?
Me don't do her.
Eh?
Yes, I'm your auntie, but me don't do her.
Are your auntie, man? We are talking about. As she say, man. No, say! What? Alright, you are going.
Yeah.
Do what you do, but keep me informed. Let me know which part you are
Yeah.
going.
Maybe get back a number too, because you know, it's a long time I don't have a number
Yeah,
far
man,
away.
sure.
Because you know, my mother should make me keep in contact with you far away.
If your mother want a different story, I'm not going to go back on that. Yeah, just show me, man.
But I still love her though.
Yeah, I mean, you have to love her.
Yeah.
Your mother can't give up on her. But you
Yeah.
listen to me. Every step you make,
Yeah.
you will guide her through. You understand me? I say? So at the end of the day, more for meet her, more for know, so she see us and all these things. But the main message, any way you want to take it, is that have a woman on his side. You understand? Yeah.
So yes, a side woman.
Side woman is very important. She take care of all of the stress.
Alright.
Alright?
One?
One is alright to start. But you're young, you know. You understand? Sound like you have energy.
Yeah, well, I'm not sure about this, you know, I don't say, I trust her because I'm an uncle.
You don't know what's going on, man. You have everything in your best interest. See?
Yeah.
Only a bank, man.
Yeah, I got
Good to see you, and I'll link you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir?
Yeah.
Alright, so we
Alright.
talk. Yeah?
Alright.
You know about she, because she, you see, she knows their business as usual. Only a bank, man. We
Alright.
shall get. Yes, sir?
Hey,
Cool,
uncle.
cool. Yeah, man. This boy know what kind of business the man live in 18. My God. Come here. How you look at my place for what? Find something for doing, man. You just in on the business, sir. PP clock. Put in a record for me over here. Can you put in it for me? You just a PP like you want something to do. Because me I wake up here, you watch me. What you be? What you there for? Eh?
What you question me for? Remember say me older than you. You don't just question the little boy. Who that the boy that just up in a chain and all kind of thing like a son scammer? Who him?
Are your nephew? Yeah. For your nephew.
My nephew?
Yeah.
So
Javi that.
Javi?
Yeah.
Little Javis. I saw time fly.
Yes, time fly.
So how are you knowing they talk about down there so now?
So what you think I got tell you? Him come to me, you know. And me come link up. You see, you really feel me go tell you my business.
So no really keep when me never from me make him grow up and me no know him.
But
So
you
me
see,
could have the pan road and he see me and come look me too. That's why people feel know their family.
that's true. But guess what now? Mind your own business. If you want to see him, you want his number, you just give me his number.
How me and my what you talk about? Me and my people business?
No. Mm-mm. When you walk around like a PP cluck like a dog and search for him till I turn around like
Lord
this
have
and I look
mercy,
for
Father
business.
God, help me, Jesus. You want to tell me something in my yard and walk and they look all about. I mean, I have no right to do that. Look here, go on about your business, because it come like you forgot say me and you are sister and me older than you. Don't call me and talk to me like that again. I know make me diss you.
All right. You see
I
because
style,
idea
I
just
style.
start. You see because idea just start. More have a good day. Yeah? Enjoy your day.
You know something, me notice your friend the other day. Me notice you, know, you public, me notice you. Since you get so big and start have woman, you feel you can contact to me anyhow. But I don't say go. Remember say over here say you live. We mama dead and gone. Who you? When you little so, and me a change your pampers, and me have to take care of you. Remember say we mama dead gone. And left with you so. You can't contact to me anyhow till you start have fed and hear all about pan you.
Hold on.
Who you?
Hold on. You mean if you tell
And
me
don't
say...
talk to me like say you're my man neither. We are brother and sister.
All right, hold on. I mean, say every day I same thing. Every day what God create, you get up with the same conversation.
Why?
Why you hold on? What you need for me give you for you understand? Say I appreciate all the help you give me, but you can't stop one. So like say boy, me owe you something every day.
Are
Like,
you the one like me obligated to you? Because me in me yard I look over the people in me yard over there. So you over there some question who to tell it for me never because me don't even know him. And you can't tell me say me a fast in a people business. Who you?
yeah, but you still you start turn. What you talk about? Eh?
Why me older than you?
All right.
I mean your bigger sister and attack. You know what? Go on about your business.
Look up, yeah? You?
Like me not have no right to look off of your eye.
Fear.
You look like a yours.
Upstairs?
Look expensive though, but I lie.
No, I don't think so.
Oh yeah, to look for an apartment.
Yes. We just gotta just rent out part of it.
Go see if we can find one bedroom.
Yeah, we don't need to know just me and you alone.
Yeah.
One is fine.
Yeah, that's fine, but you know, say we just left high school. We have to think about money. I say it might expensive, so I'm not 100% sure if we can move here.
No worry yourself, we both are young and we can work together and build life. No worry about the fact that we just leave high school.
Why? I want a big step, but since we love you, I no problem for it still. I know so my mother already have problem between we being together. So that's our next reason why we want to move out. But because we love you, can't move in together still. So look at the house. That's what can go on.
Babe, stop worry yourself now. We're young and we can start life together. Mama say you at work and me at work too, so together we can make ends meet. And teamwork make the dream work. Stop worrying about your mother and this and that. Make our love build upon faith. Believe in me, now, baby.
Alright, we believe in you. We believe in you. Alright, now we just go look. Because right now I'm tired. Come on. Alright, come on. Yes, it's nice.
Very nice. As time goes by, we can buy everything.
Well, see, I'm coming in.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, good evening. What's up?
I'm here, good evening.
Nice. You're looking nice. Lovely.
Good.
I think I see this place renting. Is it for real?
Yes, it's rented. This place there for rent. So you want a room to rent or what?
Yes. You're the owner?
No, I'm not the owner, but the owner is around. You can get to him if you want to him.
So can I see the place or what?
Well, you know, it's not available like you see it now today because people up there and a lot of things up there we have to get cleaning up first.
Oh.
But we have a lot of more room in it. It's not here alone. We have a lot of more, as you can see. Tenant live here, tenant live right there, you can see. So we have more rooms. So it's no problem.
Can I have your number?
My number?
So I can call you about when can I come to view it?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Alright, your number.
It pull or what?
Ah, boy, I don't know how to use this phone. Just a second there.
Let's see what- So you can call me at any time.
Anytime?
Anytime.
Sure.
Anytime. Okay, and bye.
Alright. Have a good day. A good evening.
Same to you.
Alright.
So how I got this?
Like what, babe?
Do you look flirtish?
Babe, no worry yourself. Just tell me I put upon him.
Style?
You understand? So the rent can reduce and become less.
Oh, okay.
So we can save a little money.
Yeah.
Can use it on something else. We don't want him.
Oh.
You sound so jealous, you don't know me by now.
No, I'm not so jealous.
For high school days we're talking.
Yeah.
You must can't trust me, you more.
Yeah. Come on. Alright, but thing is, I have something to do right now.
Like what?
I just have something to do. I work. You have to for yourself. But, I go, you can reach out by yourself?
Well, yeah.
Okay, alright. I take one taxi, don't worry yourself. Let's see when we call you.
Alright.
Why you look next?
Babe, what you expect? I'm gonna miss you.
Alright, don't worry yourself. We call you. Especially since night I come down the way. I have to do my thing. Come on. I don't want to reach home when I come down. Come on. Hello, sir.
Oh, Amina.
Hello,
Hello.
sir.
Hello. Hi, good evening.
Wow, what?
I'm okay.
You know, some usually come and shop and say Babette, but
Bobette don't work here anymore, and me I run the shop now.
you have a shop now?
So what you need?
Take a time we rush, you know.
That's what me do when I do back. Me don't have the time to waste right now.
Jesus. Alright. Give me one of the tropical rhythm there. And one of the
Tropical.
thin sausage.
Alright, what you want? Spicy or the original?
What you like? You like it spicy or like the original?
And what me like, sir, what you need?
Give me the original.
So that's $3.90.
$3.90. My name is Kema. What's your name?
Sir, me not in a heat. Just pay me. Me and pass out some fish round at the back right now.
Let's pay you. Take US dollar.
Yeah. 130 is my rate.
30 is the rate. I'm not gonna pay the US. Yeah, go like you want to wrap my butt.
But you're not easy. But if you're not ready to spend, I mean.
What you say? I guess I'm not
Yeah, man, it's okay. Just I have to go around the back.
So I'm money I drop out because I get nervous. Say you will not tell me your name. Why you be so rude? Now I'm
I'm not being rude.
Huh?
This is a business place. You can't come and waste my time like that.
I know it's a business place. That's why I come here for business. You know what I mean?
How is business?
So much you say for this thing here?
$3.90.
$3.90? I must get the name, you know.
You're going.
Keep it change, yeah?
Sir, I don't need the money. Wait for
Keep it
you. I
change.
don't need the money. Wait for your change.
Alright. Don't be your own. That's if you don't be change.
Come. Sir, wait for your change. Sir! You know what? Make him go on.
Sir.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
What do you have for drink?
I have ginger beer, Pepsi, Coke, thing, Gatorade. What you need?
Can I give one Pepsi, please?
Pepsi, cold one or the room temperature?
Can I give one cool one? One for cool down my nerves.
Half cool what?
Cool down my nerves because I
Cool on your nerves. What happened now?
You know, say, just I got close today.
Really? But you look really sad, man. Tell me a bit more about that.
Just going on in my life right now. Right now, I feel just come to the shop and just cool down my nerves.
Well, you know,
Drink
we
a
can't
Pepsi.
take nothing like cleaner, but if you really bother you that much, I am here, you can talk to me.
I don't know, you know. Ask something if I really talk.
Well, you can get to know me.
Yeah. Can I get to know you?
Yeah.
What's your name?
I am Princess, you know.
Princess.
Yeah.
So they call you?
Yeah, that's what they call me.
Okay, that's nice. You look like a princess though.
Really?
Yeah.
Thanks.
You know no king. Run!
I'm gonna move so fast. So what's the name?
My name's Giovanni.
Giovanni.
Yeah, but my friends call me Javi.
Javi. Okay, I like Javi. But I don't have any king, you know.
You know no king?
No. But differently, let's not go there just yet, Javi. You said that you're having a bad day and you're not telling me why. What's up?
So for doing work. Yeah, kinda stress me out. Right now, I came out from my new place, moving.
Mm-hmm.
And some things are really away from me right now.
Oh, okay. Well, I don't know how to advise you about that because I've never been in that situation.
Okay.
But the best that I can tell you is that everything happens for a reason. So if a worker stress you, it happens for a reason.
Yeah.
You just have to take your time, slow down, and work at it as the best way that you can. You know, you just have to do what is best for you.
Yeah, man.
So if you're dead tomorrow, work still there. So I don't want you to stress yourself. You understand? But probably can exchange number and you can let me know how that turn out.
Okay.
Alright, let me get my
See that you see I go with your money too.
Oh my Lord of mercy. Alright,
You
so
can keep the change.
keep the change.
Yeah, but I really force you over money.
Alright, not a problem. Thank you so much. Alright, just put in your number and I'll contact you.
Okay.
Alright, so you said Javi, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna ring you now. Oh shucks, man, I have no credit.
Yeah, no credit.
No, but
This is so.
alright then.
Yeah.
So I'll text you on WhatsApp because I have data.
Okay. It was nice meeting you though.
Yeah man, not a problem.
Nice to meet you.
Alright, Javi, see you.
Okay.
Alright.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
What going on with you?
I'm glad, uncle.
You good?
Yeah.
So what kind of breeze blow up my brother?
We come up here for sale.
Eh?
I want to shop with you like Confronts just a while ago.
Wait. I must have enough shop me own up here. You know what I mean?
Enough shop me own up here?
Yeah man, enough shop me as, take care of people and make sure people alright up. That's my thing that.
Yeah, so you go.
Yeah man. So we do it. So our relationship, is that going good?
Yeah, go on good man.
And when you say going good, what do you mean by that?
We're moving.
You're moving?
Yeah.
Ah boy.
Yeah.
We're not talking about the next part. You're moving, but what? You find a side girl yet?
No, but don't find the cycle. Right?
So how you fi moving and not find a side girl yet? That's a problem right there, saying. And if you understand me, I try to tell you.
But no,
It's a headache if you have a girl over here and then she will switch. I bet you right now, 100%, you did it if you say, boy, all right. You're all right for moving with her because you have doubts. I bet you. Eh? I tell you, brother. So what happened now for that now? You have to have a side girl. So by the end of the day, make sure you link up with somebody or try to link somebody or get a side girl or something. You have to have it. It's a must. You understand me I said to you?
yeah, but get what I say.
Yeah, man. So, but... How your mommy?
She alright.
She good?
Yeah, she alright. She always up on the farm about her work, so.
Oh, she still up on the farm?
Yeah.
Alright, no wrong with that. No wrong with that.
Yeah, but overall, she good. Right now, I tell her, say, me I go move out.
Rough. Because you know, it's even today. You know, we meet one new girl, you know.
To be one new girl?
New girl, and she the way girl love me is like me to myself, so boy, I'm most special.
Ah, bro, did.
Eh?
Ah, bro, did.
Well, I not tell you, say, bro, I'm black, because I don't feel like, boy, me discriminate.
No discrimination.
No, it's a girl. Just left it a girl.
Yeah, just a girl.
You know, my thing set that way.
Yeah, but I always have to remember, say, man, the love bro did them.
Yeah, man, I them that, I'm busy with them, you know what I mean? Me no hate them, I discriminate. Fat or slim, you know what I mean? That's my thing, you know what I mean? So here me I say, find your side piece. If you don't find a side piece, you know, it make no sense.
Alright.
You understand me I say?
Yeah, but get what I say.
But yo, I'll feel auntie when I want to see you, but I don't know wish list star. You know what I mean? Because you didn't come here, you know? She don't know you none at all, you know?
Me don't know her none at
She don't
all either.
recognize you none at all. Yeah, because, you know, we need to start link up back as family.
Yeah, we need to start link
You know
up.
what I mean?
That's why I be all like,
Hold on, she call me right now.
she a call right now.
Hold on there.
Speak of the devil.
Yeah, man. Yo, what go on there? Hold on, give me a second. My son call back. My son call. One second. Yeah? 1 second. Tell the man, side girl, enough, you know.
Yeah, that's right.
Plenty. But you what? Angle bangle, because you don't know anything.
Yeah.
Me I make your auntie link you up, because we don't need to talk.
Yeah.
Here, sir?
Yeah.
And we just reach out.
We have to
keep me posted for the relationship.
I say family set, man. We have to always have to take care of family.
Exactly.
Hello. Yes, I'm by the shop. What's up? Okay, yeah, I can do that right now. Same place? Alright, I'll be there. Just give me a few. Okay. here. I have seen you. Where are you? Okay, I'm here. Maybe a minute ago or so. You're close by? Alright, quickly now. Okay.
Princess.
Hey,
Hi.
what's up? Come on beside me, man. So what's going on?
No, would you come yet for go see you? How's your day been?
Oh my God, stressing.
Stressing? What's stressing?
Work and all. Every day me just in at the shop, you know, so me really just tired and all.
You want to come out to the shop?
Yeah, you know how long me not go out?
You want somebody to take you out?
I wish I had the person to take me out. But unfortunately I don't.
You don't? So what you want? A king in your life?
You know, easy, you know. Well, of course, would I need a king. But unfortunately I don't have a king right now.
You don't have a king right now? Okay, that's good to know.
How is that a good thing?
No, it's good to know for me.
For you?
Yeah.
Explain.
Explain. Well, talking to you easy. Feel more myself, rather.
Really?
Yeah.
So,
I can be comfortable with yourself.
So, you don't feel that way with anybody else?
Not really, particularly. Well, but in a situation right now.
What kind of situation?
Well, right now, we're moving with somebody.
And you're talking about your girlfriend?
Yeah. Me and her moving, but I don't really, I never want moving, basically. I think me really, I don't really feel like for moving with her.
But it's not add up. So, initially, you never want moving, so why you moving?
Feel like she pressure me like if I don't do it, things go end between us.
But you are the man, you can't make a woman pressure you into doing something you don't want to do.
Most time I don't work out the way there. I left me a man. That's why I'm going to talk to you. Because I feel more comfortable.
Okay, so now I see your point. So basically, you have a intention.
Intention? You think so?
Yeah, I am seeing it right now. So you're trying to talk to me, so what? You don't feel like you like your girlfriend anymore?
Maybe.
Maybe. Then you need to tell her and let's see what happens from here.
What, between me and you? Alright, let's think about it. That's all.
But you don't sound serious.
Be serious, be 100% serious.
You go tell her?
Yeah.
You need to do that.
Alright, me tell her. Because somebody like you, you're really nice, pretty, really beautiful. I say hi, princess. I'm gonna love you for a queen of my life.
I appreciate you saying that, but I'm not in the foolishness with the man, so you have to go come real good.
You have to come real good? Alright, we can definitely come real good, man. Definitely.
I'll hold you to your words.
Alright. We'll make sure I tell her.
Okay. So which one of these days we can go out? Because seriously can't bother to see
You
her
wanna go
shop.
out?
Of course.
Alright, me take you out, man. Anywhere you wanna go. Just name a place.
I'll think about it, but I've never been to Dolphin Cove, you know.
Never been to Dolphin Cove?
No.
We can't carry to Dolphin Cove, man. Where you want to swim with the dolphins?
Yeah. I would love to try that.
Alright, we can definitely swim with the dolphins, man. Can make your wildest dreams come true, man.
Listen to me, your mouth too sweet right now, you know. Your mouth too sweet.
You too sweet.
Yeah.
Javi! Javi! Javi!
Who that?
Who that?
Hello? Hi.
Hi, good afternoon. Is yours a Javi live, right?
Who are you to Javi?
I'm his uncle.
Well, yes. Same place.
So, I go and call him now.
He's not here. He left for a meeting.
You left for a meeting?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Javi.
Yes.
Okay, the meeting. All right, that's good. All right, so how long can you move in that place, right?
Yeah.
So you're his girlfriend?
I am.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. You know, you're a part of the family now and thing, right?
I am?
Yes, man, your family.
Well, thank you.
Yeah. So, I'll see you more often because, he's my little nephew. I'm going to take good, I check for you. You understand? So, my name is Public, right?
Well,
And I'll see
Sky.
you. Sky?
Yeah.
All right, hold it right there. All right, Sky?
Thank you.
So, just tell him someone pass by, uncle when pass by, and me call him. All right?
I will do.
Yeah, man, bless up, Sky.
Nice suit.
Yeah, man, thank you.
All right. Hello? Voice. I'm gonna answer the phone. Anyways, if you get this voice message here, just know say, I'm cook your favorite pineapple chicken with rice. And come back to bed, I'm worried about you. Come here, try calling you and answer the phone. You good? Alright. Hello? What you say? My man. What you mean? The wheel? River with I like that, yo. But anyways, thanks. Here, thank you.
Hello. You know, say I'm up a place with right now. Yeah, I'm in the riverside. There's some news to tell us, so come over here, some man. Just over here. Yeah, come over here. Yeah, so in the river. Yeah. That's so nice news to tell you, man. Glad to hear that.
Well, I am glad I was able to come.
So,
So,
there's so great news to tell you.
great news.
Yeah.
What great news?
Well, I break up with my girlfriend. So I'm officially single.
What? You break up with your girlfriend for real?
Yeah. Remember say, you tell me say you want me to break up with her and like your vibe. So you
What?
be true
Like,
to with. So be officially single.
Okay then. I never know if you take me serious.
Of course, me take you serious. So you think me gonna do?
So you're a man of your words then?
Yeah, a man of my words.
Okay. We see I struggle for food.
Me not should have.
Yeah, struggle. See I do it like this. And you bring it up.
Me didn't know how to do it.
You never know if you do it. See? Done.
Yeah, it's simple.
Simple. Ah, thank you. So,
Yeah.
how she take the news? Like, what she say when you tell her say over?
Well, she never take it too well. Cause no, me pull it.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. She never.
So she cuss and go on.
Yeah. You know how females go, so she kinda go kinda crazy. So
Okay,
me pull
then.
it.
Yeah, but look how much your waist.
That's fine. Me never come here for you drink, me come here for you.
Like how that sound.
You know, say you like a river.
Yeah, me really love river.
Yeah, so next time, can I take you out to where do you say you want to go again? Dolphin Cove.
Yes,
Yeah.
can't wait.
Yeah, so next time
So-
I take you out to Dolphin Cove.
Definitely. But like, so you think she move on? Like, she did really upset?
Upset. Like, she did just have Eddie. Especially, she did go on crazy. Just have Eddie. Right now, might have to find a new place because we rent the place together, so I think about to find a new place.
Me feel the fear still.
You feel the fear?
Yeah, but I mean, she don't appreciate it obviously. So I guess she lose a good man.
Yeah.
Not my
But-
fault.
You don't have to care about her. You must say I'm here and you know, so you don't have to worry about you. And you go there for my mind from the one.
I like how that sound. Anyways, alright, think you want to get a touch in the water now?
Yeah, but we can get a touch in our water.
Alright.
Can I put this down?
Yeah, try to
As
put it on.
we soon go come down, so we'll take a dip.
Yeah. No man, I feel tired. Help me up.
Help me up.
You're strong?
Yeah, but
Don't let me drop you now.
Nah, we can drop princess.
What?
Don't. No.
Feel like you're not strong enough.
Be strong, man.
Feel like you're not strong.
Come.
Hold on. Let me put on my phone. Hello? Hello? Who is this?
A friend.
What's the name, miss? What?
I just
What mean by who is this? So this is the important meeting you have to attend? So babe, this is it. This is the meeting? Is this the meeting? Me not depend on the depend. You don't say you're not break up, so why you come and break up? Me no matter if you over. Sure. You know what, let me leave in the place. Let me let you so. I wish you had take off slippers. Don't make a mistake to touch me, no girl. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Yeah, with no man. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Me left out of this in a 2 minute fighting mood. You know? No, go. Leave. You know what? I'm wrong. I'm take your man. Come on, single man out there. I'm a 5 years relationship. You won't come mash up, girl. Girl, shut up and listen. If your man did want you, he would have listened. He would have left you. Go. Oh! Are you in trick, idiot? Trick who? If you can't fool it, go leave. I'm out of sitting here, man. Tell me about you. Go. Right, but then, idiot. Idiot will get you. Excuse me, miss.
Hi.
Hey, I'm not so familiar with the
Hi.
place. You know where the Mandeville taxi is parked?
Yes. You know, say down there, so The Mandeville taxi them there, down there so.
Oh.
But guess what? A public holiday, today a Good Friday.
Oh.
So, not too much of a taxi now in here, so a little bit of taxi in here. So if you want a Mandeville taxi, you have to go way up back up to the front of the city. You see them bus there and then car there up there, so just go and ask any one of them mobile taxi man there. To show you the Mandeville taxi here.
Alright then.
Yeah man.
I'm just a come up the same.
You never ask them no question, you just pass like you know where you're going. But that's not man, a normal thing. You can't just go up there and
Alright,
ask
give me
anybody.
a second. Give me a second.
Alright, no problem.
Hello. Javi, listen, me no in a talking right now with you. Me tell you what is expected. Me tell you what me expect from you, and you really make your ex come at the river come embarrass me them way there. You know the amount of people where they at the river know me actually call me phone and I talk about the embarrassment. Me no need to hear your apology right now. That is very unacceptable. It not gonna work. It just not gonna work. Number one, you lie to me. You tell me say you and the girl break up. When me take a stop, the girl actually follow we come at the river. Yeah, obviously I follow. She follow we. How she knows that we did it? But you know what? Me not gonna continue the conversation anymore. It's over, and me can't do this anymore. Anyways, me I go home right now, me I go Mandeville right now, and my boss just come, so don't link me, block me, don't text me, don't call me, that's it, goodbye.
Javi. I have mercy, I want to know.
Yes, miss, so you did say the bus spot down there, so?
Yes. Mandeville bus. Right down there, so
Okay.
Mandeville bus there.
Alright, so me I go get a bus, thank you very much.
So what is your name?
Princess, they call me Princess.
You know my name?
No, first time seeing you.
Troublemaker.
Why?
As for my name, that depends on my birth certificate. Your name not depend on your birth certificate.
Well, Princess, my pet name still you know about Troublemaker, where you get a lot of trouble?
Well, my first name is Troublemaker and my last name is Warmonger. I'm here they call me nephew name.
Your nephew?
You know Javi?
Javi, we were supposed to get together, but obviously it never work out. So, how my conversation, you take it up?
No, me not take up it. Me not take it up. You're the right there so they talk and me never they listen you. Just my mind tell me say they call Javi name. I want to know what you and me nephew into. If
Javi is your nephew, you have a very bad nephew. You're never terrible. Imagine say, Javi come to me, say I'm interested in me. I'm going to take a step, me and Javi go out on a date. And a girl come up and want to fight me. Are them kind of never that you have, miss?
You forgot what me tell you some name? I'm here talk to?
Miss, me no business what your name, but you approach me.
Princess or Princin. You know something, we take off your glasses off of your face. You know that, don't?
You know what?
Mind how you call up me nephew name. Because who to tell you for no name, your name out me nephew money now when they come chat and they laugh with people on phone.
Excuse me?
You don't know me nephew money?
Excuse me, miss. You know, this is where I draw the line.
Draw the line. Come ready for hang out the clothes with the clothespin.
You come like I say, you running at the family. You all out no terrible. As a matter of fact, bye.
Girl, you know who you talk to?
You know, say
You know who you talk to?
You're just assault.
Assault your backside. You didn't talk about me nephew. Blood thicker than water. Who you?
You know what?
You name out me nephew money and come around the combo funny. And a man you did this watch at one and call Javi.
Call your nephew and find out what happened before you come. Listen,
you know, say me can't me can't say I want little coward, you know, me bust up your face out there, here. And that's if you know.
Lady.
Okay, cause you're a bad girl. Take off your clothes, cause your feet say you're better than me. I will strip out your...
You know me who? Hey, you know me who? Hey, you're lucky, you know. Listen. Hey, sir, let him go. Let her go now. Let her go.
Let me go.
Behave for yourself.
Let me go.
Behave for yourself.
Let me go. Are you... Hey, girl.
Hey.
All right. Yeah, man, bless up to everybody who are checking. Thank you so much for always, check out, the public report videos. I highly appreciate everybody. I don't know the thing go. Family, me say. All right. This movie is sponsored by Sapphire Eternal, you know what I mean? And you know, she's a wiper production, you know what I mean? You get to know more, you get to see her Spotify, you get to see her Facebook link and everything and all these things, you know what I mean? So Sapphire Eternal, check it out on right here, so you're supposed to want either one link or I'm going to post the picture right here, so. You want to see it? Yeah, you see it? Alright, they said it. Yeah man, so Sapphire Eternal, you know what I mean? So you can check her out, she's there, she's now a part of the family, you don't know the thing go, you know what I mean? So, I chat too much, yeah, so I'm going to stop right now, I'm not going to watch the video. But remember, this video brought to you by Sapphire Eternal. Oh!
Morning.
Morning.
No, so I come for my things now.
What? What do you mean?
I know some what I do. Alright, but I'm not say me wrong. But I just come for my things now. I don't want to argue with you, I just want my things now, Olive.
What you say? You don't want to argue with me, so you want your other leave. Come sit down and talk to you. Come talk. I'm going to talk. I can really talk. So babe, after me catch you, babe, a river. This is how you plan to treat the situation? You really behave this way?
How you have me treated?
As a grown individual, you're young but you're supposed to be grown. To think of it, you know, some realize there's something really I miss from the relationship. Because this is not you.
Why miss from the relationship?
Babe, you need Jesus. You need prayer. You need something sensible. Because this is not us, you know. This is not you. Me I talk to you and you look at the door talk to you? Huh? So you really want to just pack up and leave? We've been together for 5 years and look a little bit above that.
Alright, me not try for hurt you.
So what you try to do?
Alright, you are bringing...
No, talk to me. Look in my eyes, babe. Face me now. When the there river brawling in a make a deal with woman, you face her, you talk to man, so me you talk now, you're looking at me
and
them.
you are a friend.
Friend?
Yeah.
Friend. But you wanted more than a friendship, though.
I never want...
Though.
I never want nothing more than our friendship. Alright. Since you know what, you're right. We need God in our relationship.
You did what?
We
You did what? You did what?
We need God in our relationship.
You can't even chat properly. Baby, disappoint me, you know? And before you come to me and apologize, you want to come pack up and leave. You can't even say, babe, I'm sorry. Not even that I don't even know what to say.
Anyways, then let me just read one scripture here. Come closer. Come, I think something really is the problem. We need to invite God in our relationship. To proceed further, we need God to make things work for the better. Do you agree?
Yeah.
I mean, I talk to you something like that. Am I ugly?
No.
So Jeremiah 29 and verse 11, babe, it says, "For I know the thoughts that I think toward you, saith the Lord. Thoughts of peace, saith the Lord. Sorry, thoughts of peace and not of evil, to give you an unexpected end." In other words, for I know the plans that I have for you, plans to prosper you and not to harm you. So God knows the plans Him have for us. Just as how me have plans for you, God have plans for the relationship. God have plans for our lives. Let me pray for you. Give me hands. Give me hands now. Give me hands. God, it's me again. It's me again, God. Sky. God, me young, I'm stupid, I'm still a grow, but I still know you. God, I put you in front of this relationship, you know my boyfriend, Javi. You know him by name, contact details, and everything about us, God. I pray today, God Almighty, that you'll be the center of our relationship, oh God. I pray for guidance with young, but you can make it work for us, God. God, I want this relationship to work. God Almighty, God, make it work. God, it has been working for 5 years. And I trust you, God, that it can last longer than 5 years with family, children, businesses, oh God. The last time I checked, my boyfriend said he wants to be a businessman. I want to be an attorney, God. As Jeremiah says, God, you know the plans you have for us, God. God, I pray, oh God, that Jeremiah 29 and verse 11 shall be manifested in our lives, God. And you will take control, God. I pray that you will be loyal. You will remain loyal and trust you, God Almighty. Bind us together, God, in love. In Jesus' name. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Trust God. Trust God. And let's hope for the best and make the relationship work.
Yeah.
You understand, babe?
Yeah.
I understand, so you still apologize to me, but not do it again. I don't care for your friend, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, me no business. That is more than friendship to me. It was about to get done. I don't want to see that again, babe.
Be here. Be here, be here, be here. Be here.
This need crowd. So you still gonna leave? You still gonna pack and go on?
No. I
You got on?
gotta take some of my stuff in. I gotta clear my head. Probably stay with my uncle a little bit. I try to end things.
So we're still in that things?
Yeah.
So the prayer what then? It'll work?
Yes, I can feel God in my heart. I go talk to my uncle a little bit because my father figure in my life. He's my only person I really love.
You sure your uncle you go?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes, which what I think I always go when Mr. Mega go somewhere. My uncle.
Open a little brown crown face girl, I see you with you know.
I don't go down this, sir.
Open a she, you know, and make sure so you block and delete her number, you know.
I did block and delete her number.
Your uncle, you say you go. I want me can trust you, although you break my trust already, but go on. What good call me when you reach?
Yeah, you can't trust me because I can't even talk to you, girl, because you see how she can't buy phone and cuss me out. And black me too.
As a matter of fact, babe, uncle you say you go? Uncle we a go.
What?
Uncle we a go.
You mean uncle we are go?
Me a go with you. Me a come. We go in.
For what? Why you come? You don't trust me?
We don't talk.
So if you just left your house, you have to live.
No worry about that. Uncle you say you go, no uncle we a go.
Better be, because right now this dirty, boy, I fresh up myself.
Then go on, me bed already. Drink all tea too. Coffee, done. Go to bed.
Sorry, there. How are?
I want your face. Eh?
Where's to do my face?
Troublemaker.
What?
How are really going with you? Your face come bust up. And who you can't fight now? Who beat you?
Me drop.
Drop your drop.
Me go a river and me slide on the stone because the stone is too slippery.
You don't like water.
Me not like water, but
So
me did
you
stand up on
not
the
go on the
riverside.
river. I do what?
Me just stand up and look on the people them and be there. You're so
And
far.
it's like, no, tell me something.
A piece of me mango you
I
want.
don't want any mango. Talk it true now. What happened? Because as much as me not really in your business, I'm not like to talk to you about certain things. I don't want to see you mash up.
You know
But I don't want to know say somebody
me
mash
dash you
up.
mango. Cause you look like you don't want me to eat in a piece. You know say a long time. You look here. Come out of my business, man. A long time you fast in my business, you know.
And a fast, a concern, me care about you. What you mean say fast?
Me know why you care about me. You is not the man. You is my brother. Don't touch me.
Sometimes I wonder, yo, me and same mother and same father. I wonder if some switching go on down the hospital there.
Boss it.
Boss what? Go
Boss
first with the
it.
finger.
It's a jacket. Yes, of course. I'm glad you figure out it. Say, half of my father's sperms is not belongs to you.
No, so something wrong. So, all right.
A two father you want now.
A person
You.
you and them a fight. What happened to them?
Me did tell us me and somebody
You have to fight somebody. And that's all you do. You fight and be in trouble.
And he born you.
And a bunny, me wonder who go come in my yard now.
Hey, the other day, you take out me 2 dumpling out of pot.
And so what?
You name out the whole of it. Not even grease and left in there. And you feel say me no remember. You feel say me no remember. Now you come and come chat about this. All this concern you.
Sister.
Chat about me dumpling them with your teeth, boy.
Sister.
Chat about me dumpling.
I'm no man. All right, come
Let me go.
When I somebody want drink?
Me no want nothing from
When I
you.
somebody want drink?
Me no want nothing from you. So
Sister.
me just and me mango there.
Come on, go buy one drink. Come on.
Me no want nothing from you.
Sister, just calm
Me
down.
no want
You
nothing
can't
from
let
you.
go on
You know
some-
so me can't take a Stella that day. Me
Sister.
beg you $100. You no give me a go. That's how I give you $200. Hey boy.
Just relax.
How you
sister.
feel like?
Sister, relax, no
Me
man.
no like you.
Sister, make you go on so.
No,
Come on, go buy one drink.
Let me go.
Come on. Come.
A friend here.
Come,
You give
I'm
me
a friend.
$1,000.
No man, come. Yo, me no want to see her hurt to the sister. As bad as me live.
Me I tell you something. You know, say I don't want to bus for me today. I want a bread king girl.
Jesus,
Me
me
did-
know say sitting in a man.
You don't know say girl down there call up me nephew name. After a girl name out me nephew money.
So how you know say you never
Me know me did a cut me ears and I listen and when she come on 5 phone me draw a little bit. And as so comes me say something to her and me and her start to fight in same time. The girl takes it and give me one lick in my face and bust up my face and run. But you see anytime me catch a girl there, anytime me catch her a hell and powder house, cause I never go so. She name out me nephew money and she come lick me in my face. She never like you. Hey, she lucky she running now. She lucky, you know, cause she me did that strip off me clothes down in her bus park for her, you know. Cause me not play with her.
Trouble. All right, come on.
Come here, that girl, you know.
Come buy one drink. Go buy one drink in that shop. Me want little shop and me run out the front. Come here. And calm down, man. You
I don't
can't.
want you to me go a doctor with this, you know, cause it hurt me. And
Go
the people
buy.
them down at bus park, they tell me say you want stitch.
One stitch so deep.
I sit me and take a lip in my face and they act like I and they use lip me and me go, hey, you see if a girl then run? In lucky. And you me never had left me sitting on my yard, man. That girl, me would have sorry for him down there.
Come.
All one dirty man come and hold me like me know him from now. Me not know him a hold me for. Him and the girl must see there too. Who to tell if he they give me nephew bun?
Troublemaker, calm down now.
Right now, my heart a boil.
Jesus,
See that girl.
all right, come on.
Wait, yeah, can we go buy a shop?
We go buy something to drink.
So what's up, drinks alone?
Whatever you want in the shop, me go buy you. Because I guess I realize, say, listen, me say, man, we are family. My mama gone long time.
Me I know nothing. Uncle when time me I sit now when you give me money. I'm hungry, more
Alright,
back
me I
food.
sing today. Come on.
Me have something now?
We go buy you
Go
one bun and one cheese or something over the shop. Come on, man.
I used to know, so you want to come. Remember, say we are brother and sister.
No one we live like a family. Well, I'm like a full time now we start.
I want that in your pocket.
No worry about what I'm pocket, my money, but full time we start live good, you know, sister. What that be?
I'm plate.
Christ.
Alright, me name out when I know what she plate them.
Uncle Public!
So him know say you come? Him expect you?
Of course, you know some I come and text him today. See fence are locked. Look like he gone somewhere. I gotta call him.
Call him for what? So you really serious? For moving with people?
I never go moving with nobody. I tell her, say, I come here for you look for my uncle. That's all. If you come stay a little while, I'll clear my head.
In a yard?
Of course, I have a yard.
When makes sense say how we waste money and rent place and next after you want to come moving but uncle this and uncle that and boy you want to clear your mind. Clear your mind for what? And me for one clear my mind and miss you with
So
one
why you
river.
come then? Why you come then?
Because me think say prank you or prank me. Or joke you and make you serious?
How much you prank
You
you?
seriously want to come my uncle here
So
boy?
wait, by the time we reach halfway, you never expect say, me that come here. You really think I joke me there, Joe?
I actually walk with you. To see what you're really up to. If you really lick your head or something.
Me don't lick my head. People can't come look for their family. After my family, me come look for.
Hey!
You think some me no want to live in a house on my rent? Must I me use my money?
Babe, it's nice. It's nice because what you're saying that make no sense.
Are you the
It's
one?
how we are
Are you
work.
the one come? You never tell her if you come with me. I tell her say I look me there, I look for my uncle. That's all. You act like I look me go look girl. Or me I go meet up with the brown girl.
A brown girl up on your mind.
Nah,
Yeah, I mention nothing about brown girl.
Yeah.
A brown man up on your mind. A brown pitney you want in the future. So show me black and you black you don't want me. A brown man up on your mind. Me I talk about uncle, you come talk about brown girl.
alright.
Eh?
Alright, me not argue with you now.
What?
Me not argue with you. Me not even want to argue in front of people, yeah. Because I'm an uncle, yeah, this. Me not try to argue with you.
You're just young and inexperienced.
You know what? I got me hard. You know, I got me hard.
Wait for me. Hello. My God.
Oh, you come back so early?
No worry about it, man. I did finish everything with me I do already, so might as well me just come back. You good?
Yeah.
Tired, you see?
Walk on the side.
Let go.
Walk in for the inside now. I mean, I tell you, just hard to be a big, you know, just a my brother see, you know, and that is about time now we start have the
You know,
relationship.
so me have you up for me dumpling though.
What about dumpling, man?
Me want tea. You
Go on,
know,
go
the
on,
chicken and all this nothing.
What am I saying?
Serve!
Hello, service.
Open the door. So.
I can't drink some, man. And Lucas in.
No, I'm putting chicken back. We can go cook.
Hey, how you doing? You good? I look like I don't know each other, sir. You know she?
Where?
You know she?
Oh.
So we can't go like in her mouth.
Where you know her from?
Right there, sir.
Right there, so. So how long you know this girl?
I don't really say me know her, but me I try for.
Try for what?
I get acquainted with her. How? Me say know her?
Me no bother wanna serve.
You mean say nobody wanna serve?
Me no bother want no serve.
Jesus.
And that's why you came over here, so. You don't say you want hypocrite.
What mean hypocrite? What you talk about? Wait. No. I want to go on there, sir. She?
You know, she said this girl lick me in my face.
Me ne... Oh, hold on, come on, sir.
I'm bust up my face till me all have to go to the doctor and put plaster on you and say,
Jesus Christ.
Right now, then tell me say you want to stitch and me have to go pay how much money.
Relax, just relax. So, are you and she... Alright. Go on, go on.
If I look at her, nobody look him. Nobody look her.
What do you mean? So...
Then if you do me face so me and your sister, what she want to do you?
So why she do it? Because of who?
She run, and lucky she over there start skin her teeth like a joke thing.
Let me go. As she attack about with Javi?
Then who me attack? Are you?
She and Javi that... No, can't she? You can't mind a fool Javi.
She and Javi there?
No,
me
can't.
No.
No.
Me never. Let me go.
No.
Let me go.
Yo,
So I something to make this go?
No, just relax. Me talk.
Something to make it go?
Me deal.
Deal with it. How you go deal with it and I look at it, look him?
Trouble. Let's go. Let's relax. Let's trouble.
Let me go.
Trouble. Come on, trouble. Come on. Jesus Christ. Trouble, come on, that place, the trouble. Okay, I'm bad with this. Come on, I laugh. Trouble. Trouble, make yo, just easy now.
You see you lady?
Miss.
Let me go, you know. Let me go.
No. Is that?
Miss Steffi, let me go.
No. Come.
You see you lady?
Come.
You see you lady? Let me go.
Come. Trouble.
Let me go.
Wait.
Let me go.
Wait. All right,
come. This is going to end,
no,
come.
come.
This not ending now. Me make my friend them come to you, lady.
All right, calm down.
Calm down. All you know me who?
Calm down, man.
Yes, me want bust, you know.
Come.
Eh?
All right.
You know what? Me calm down, you know. If me not catch you today, me catch you tomorrow. Understand yourself.
Calm down.
Just watch me.
Come here. Me understand, say?
What you say now?
Listen me, I say.
Come on.
We start off on the wrong start from morning. Ah, Jesus, my sister that. I apologize. Yo, sorry. We start everything.
What you say?
Listen me, I say, no, man.
Your sister?
My sister that.
So, are they a vagabond for your family?
Don't worry about that. It's about time now. Me have a really one-to-one conversation. Are you not this kind of person? I know that already. You understand me, I say? I'm not happy in this kind of mood.
Just do what you have to do. Next time we talk about that, I'm in a good mood right. My head space not dire right now. The lady just gonna upstorm my spirit. You understand?
What's your name, by the way?
Princess, you know.
Princess, your name? Alright, Princess. Come on, Princess, man. Don't bother make the whole ordeal create this drama where, you know what I mean, we're not supposed to have this conversation. We have to have this conversation, you see it? You understand me as a princess? Princess, my name is Public. Right? I'm going to come back here later on. I'm going to have a talk with you. I just want to clear up the whole thing with Javi, with she, and all these things. Alright, ma'am?
Whatever.
Alright? Yeah, so I'll see you later. Alright?
We ain't gonna do so long. Come on.
Trouble. I say something I peep out through your bandage.
What?
You like it?
It a bleed?
Yeah, you like it a bleed.
Remember, me tell you, say doctor them did say one stitch, you know. And you don't give me money if you go stitch in my youth. Not sorry for me, man. Low my face alone.
Me if you give money, ask me for money to do it?
Me tell you, say me a beg you $1,000. Me did want to go beg other money and put money for make up for go do it. You give me $1,000, my youth.
You tell me that?
You tell me I'll say you go buy me bun. You buy me bun.
You did ask me for money for carry go a doctor. Eh? You make it sound like say when check me and say, help me for carry you go a doctor and blah blah blah. Now me see your face and now me start thinking about it. And yesterday, you know, and you still that suck that little one beer your friend yesterday?
Me and brother and sister.
So that's
You
it.
hear say me in a war with somebody. Did me tell you already what good up? You get lick me in my face. Me ask her for money there so. $1,000. And if me did want to go beg again to put money to go a doctor to get it stitched. Me
1,000.
talk to you already. $1,000 can't stitch it. But at least if you did give me $1,000, I would go get the rest and not give me none. You cock up out there so. With your friend them, with your man friend and your woman friend them and buy them beer liquor. Where you give me? Now you come see me and drink me beer content. Not tell me nothing.
Listen, me, I said to you, see? You're just angry. Why you so angry? You're just always angry. And you're angry at me like I me do something. I don't do nothing.
You not do me nothing, but
Leave
you
the girl.
like you and the girl in a things.
Me and the girl ain't do nothing. Me and she ain't do nothing. But based on what one, it look like she and Phil nephew or something. Because remember you tell me saying that the reason why I want to catch up in an argument is because she talk about your nephew and all these things.
So
how
you
know
know
that?
you can me never come. Let me ask him what go on between the girl there. Eh? A little idiot girl there and me nephew. Me hear him on phone they chatting about me nyam out your money and
So
whatever.
you sure say him though? You sure say Javi?
I want somebody in Ireland named Javi and I
know
me
what-
nephew alone.
Yo, stop talking like
No, you're nothing fry you.
How you feel know say a Javi?
I'm
Phil
my
Javi.
nephew in the talk.
So you sure?
I mean I defend me nephew.
You feel
The
proof
girl
and
beating her
evidence?
face and running here, she did turn up, she just dead.
And you put yourself in one situation where you're not supposed to put yourself in, because you're fast now people conversation.
You know which
and take-
people?
How you
How
mean?
my nephew?
All right.
My
all right,
nephew
all right,
business
all right,
is
all
my
right,
business. Me
all
not
right,
fasting and
all right.
no stranger business.
All right. Angle your bangle, do what you have to do. See? But remember something I warn you and tell you. Say, any trouble you put yourself in, me not bail you. Because you have sense. And if you have sense, you are going to do things what
Me
make
not,
sense.
oi. Me not no sense. When sense did I give you back I line me did there. You alone get all of the sense.
Oh, Jesus.
Cause remember you know, we are the same father, but a half of me Pablo you get. Me don't want you nothing from you. That's why you're sensible more than me. Because you have another father. A one father me have. You a jacket.
Me a
Two
jacket.
father you have. You.
Anything is a boss. But remember me tell you, say, any
Me don't
trouble
want you nothing from you, because me have you up $3,000 my youth. See that me tell you already 1,000,000 times. Say the doctor said this go and stitch, but me have to pay them and you can't give me $1,000.
So you know, me I call Javi because right now me even find out all of this situation from the horse's mouth. You understand? Me no want no hearsay.
Yo,
Yeah?
bro.
So angle where you angle.
Bro, you hear me? You hear me?
Yeah.
No, tell you no lie no. Right now you can't give me a thing. From morning, me no eat nothing, you know. Me no eat nothing, man.
So you just change so calm now.
You have to understand. Me and sister, you know. Just when me hungry.
Me and sister?
Me and sister and brother. Me not
Yeah,
fi say
sister and
next
brother.
part.
No, you have to say it. 'Cause it's
You
like,
fi- you fi say
like
next
you
part.
style me undercover.
Undercover.
Eh?
Sometimes some boy forgets that, but I know you and me I talk still. Let me tell you something. Me not tell no lie. From morning, me no eat nothing. I'm mother like if you give me a thing, you can't give me $15,000.
Me,
I want to buy one box food.
$15,000.
If you buy one,
Buy box food.
buy one box food.
You not gonna give. Me I give you $1,000 and it's anyway maga, it pop off. This $1,000 here. Anyway maga, yeah? This I can buy you one nice little box food at Kunte, yeah? Go to Kunte go buy one nice little $600 box food and you can buy one $200 drinks.
You just a chat such way you give me $1,000. Where you do style
You know something I give them money.
No, look where you give me $1,000. And me have to go to doctor go stitch up me and buy box food. The doctor did tell me, I remember if you tell her, say doctor said me have to eat first before him push in eagle night.
Alright, so how much money you go on?
He want 14 and that I want make 15.
Me post there, a joke you make, a joke. Just laugh, how much joke you make?
Me not laugh. Just give me $1,000. I'm just going to buy one bag food and pay for this stitch.
You are going. First start at which part we need to start? Buy
me
food.
15,000.
Buy the food.
You give me $1,000 first?
Buy the food. Go buy the
give
food.
me $1,000.
Go see $1,000.
And then you go give me 14.
Later on, yeah, go buy food and then later on, when I forward back, I can't talk to you. Because right now you can't.
You good?
Talk. Trouble. Jesus Christ,
Sure
man.
say good enough because some
All right.
fake money are grown.
Don't worry about that. Look, come on, here. We talk. Say me can't call Javi.
just leave the place and can't even say, babe, my gone, or dog, my gone. What? He left his phone. Hey, perfect timing. Let me see what I'll go on.
Hey, what go on, my nephew? Why? Sorry for Mr. Call and all. Hey, what go on, my nephew? Why? Sorry for Mr. Call and all these things. You know what I mean? But guess what go on now? Well, I feel good for now. So you really find one side girl. You finally find a side girl. You know what I mean? So it's a good look. I hope you're happy now. You know what I mean? Because I tell you, if you follow my advice, if you follow my advice, everything go alright. You know what I mean? Don't worry yourself, man. It's all good. Alright? Cool. So I'll link you up later on if I stop with the case. Alright? You know, so I feel happy for you. Alright, my nigga? Later.
No, sir. Let me really listen to this again.
Hey, what go on, my nephew? Why? Sorry for Mr. Call and all these things. You know what I mean? But guess what go on now? Well, I feel good for now. So you really find one side girl. You finally find a side girl. You know what I mean? So it's a good look. I hope you're happy now. You know what I mean? Because I tell you, if you follow my advice, if you follow my advice, everything go alright. You know what I mean? Don't worry yourself, man. It's all good. Alright? Cool. So I'll link you up later on if I stop with the case. Alright? You know, so I feel happy for you. Alright, my nigga? Later.
No, sir. Okay. So it's this Uncle Public. Uncle Public. Uncle Public. So he's the one behind everything. Side girls, side girls, side whatever you call it. We shall meet. We shall surely meet. As a matter of fact, text him back. Idiot. That's what I say. Oh, we're going to meet today. You want to come with my man, woman. My man, woman. Javi, come in here. Hello? Public? Hello? Hello?
yeah. Hello. You know say somebody sit down there, so. Who you?
Hi. Public there?
No, I friend, who you?
Public is here, miss.
Who you? Where you want public for?
Public is here, miss.
Why you want public?
Is it here or not?
You and public related or are you man? Me ask you why you want public? Where you come at me gate for?
The last time I check, public is expecting me, so I want to know if he's there now. If
yeah.
him there.
Lord of Jesus. Girl, I'm gate to turn up in me yard, you stand up in you know. And you know if public are my man or my brother or my uncle or my papa. Me they ask you who you? Cause yes, I live and yes, I live. And who you?
I'm just a stranger, he happen to know.
Stranger?
Him happen to know.
Come on me yard. Come they ask me for somebody, so me must give out information. For somebody who live on me yard. Eh? No man chop a killer come fi kill him. Girl, if you know what me know, you go back through the same gate where you put your damn foot through. Before me set the dog them pan you. You not even know who you they deal with.
No, so your dog yourself, okay? Just the day you bark. Your dog yourself.
You know fi run. You know fi run, cause you're a bad girl. You're a bad girl. Come back up here, so. And I will show you where the dog there, you little dirty wretch. Me nah no born on me yard, don't come back over here, look, my brother, you little drunk crow.
You take a drunk girl for no one, idiot.
You should run.
Soon come Auntie Rosie. Hello? What happened, girl? What's going on? You know, me just there though. Just feel boring and all. You can't come and check me? Oh, you have something to deal with? Okay, never mind then. Probably me just go down the street, probably get one ice cream or something. I just feel really bored. Alright then, next time. Okay, alright, later.
Hello. How you doing?
What's going on?
Why am I there? The brown girl there about?
No.
She there?
No.
Alright, you know what? I'm gonna lose her number, you know.
So you want her number?
Yeah, give me back her number.
Alright, 505 2781.
It's 2781?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Okay.
A princess, yeah?
Okay, alright.
Alright, thanks, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, auntie.
Yeah.
Hello? Hello? Who is this? How you get my number? I did not give you my number. But you're bright, and you mean to come and call me after me done tell you say I'm not interested? Listen. You need to come off my phone right now. I'm not interested. I don't need a relationship. And whosoever give you my number, I'm matter of fact, just delete my number off the phone. Sure. You said that man you want real crosses. You know what? I have the solution for you. Woman you want, woman you go get. You know, so I'm going to name what that man you done. Okay then. Hi,
What's up?
My uncle-in-law. Favorite.
You okay. Come
Public,
here,
right?
Yeah, man, public. So what you doing in this area?
Just a general walk. I like to walk, you know?
Cause this is the way to my house, so you know what I mean. I don't know if you're coming from my place.
Why would I? No.
Okay.
Looking lovely. Could you take me a pic, please?
A
Just
picture?
A quick pic, you know?
What do you mean picture?
As in.
This does sound right. What do you mean picture? Take a picture of you?
Yes, on my phone.
Oh.
My gosh.
Okay.
Remember, we're family now. You told me that, you know, uncle.
All right.
Alright, cool. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready. Are you ready? There you go. Yeah, man. Ready? Perfect. Understand this. He just gets so serious for me, like, I don't understand. What is happening?
What have I done?
I don't understand it. I'm lost.
Why is it that you're trying to create problem? Why? Why are you seeing poison and drinking poison? Why? I'm talking about Javi.
Javi.
Your nephew, my man.
But what about Javi? I don't understand what you're talking about. You're confusing me right now.
You're very confusing yourself. Listen, I'm aware that you public, whatever you want to call yourself, but a public reporter or public, I understand, say you. I met my man straight. Why?
Me make your man straight? What you talk? I don't understand. All right, listen to me. Listen.
I heard the voice. I was the one who text you. I text you, you know. And
Text
it's
me?
I text you.
No, this is the reason why, you see, if you get a text there, side woman no mean say, you know, say, because every time you approach about side woman, you think about sex. I'm not thinking about that. I'm thinking about somebody you can talk to, a side friend. Stay right there. Stay, please, stay. So listen, it's like every time when a person hear the side woman, side girl and all these things, you get confused about thinking it's only sex. No. Let me tell you something, man. You see a side person, meaning that it's a stress relief. It can be a friend who you can just talk to, just relate certain things, because and every time you know a relationship as a woman, you want to tell your man everything. Something you want to talk, but you have to be careful who you talk to. You understand me I say? So side girl or side woman what you hear me try to tell him about is somebody who are gonna just make him stress free. If you want him in an argument, right? He can actually go to the side person and talk to them. So I don't understand why you're so upset with me. I'm doing something for you. Because if you can't do it, the side girl go, catch up that little part there. So I don't understand why you're so upset.
Who are you?
Eh?
Did I ask for assistance?
I'm not talking
Tell
about...
us some more help? Or you said enough?
What you talking
Me
about?
tell us some more assistance. Me tell us say my man want side woman or side friend or whatever. My man no want nobody to talk to.
Listen to me. See, me understand you're upset because is everything okay in the relationship? That's the first thing I should ask. Everything are going good? Talk to me.
That's for you to find out.
But maybe I don't want to find because obviously your reaction of me even taking a picture is that, something something right upstairs.
Something doing right upstairs.
No, something right upstairs.
So you want to take me to the doctor? You want to take me to the medical facility?
What do you mean?
You want to check me out if I'm mad or not? Yes, I'm mad. I am mad. I'm mad at you. Listen to me. This is the warning. Stay out of my relationship. It has been 5 years I've been staying with your nephew and I've been faithful. You don't need a side girl or a side friend.
All right, ma'am. I'm very sorry. I will stay far away from it. All right,
You upside girl? You upside girl?
Right now, I consider myself single and disengaged. You know what I mean? Because, you know, there's a lot of things been going on. I'm going to decide to stay this way. But I wish you all the best. But based on how you react, it sounds like something wrong with you. I'm not stick around to find out what's going on, miss. Because something is going on. I wish you the best. Yeah, ma'am?
Mine is stepping shit.
Yeah, all right. Don't worry about it.
Disgusting shit.
Alright, so guess what? If you're not there so right now, that means you're gonna enjoy the video. You know what I mean? The whole light and all the BTS and all these things will come next. So guess what now? Sophia Eternal is the sponsor of this video. As me said, go check her out. You know what I mean? We're not gonna see a lot more. You're gonna see t-shirt. To be honest with you, I print the t-shirt ready, but the people them, you know, give me like a run around and all these things. You know what I mean? So yeah. Next time, we're going to definitely see the t-shirts and all these things and, you know, all the links where you can support her and all these things. So, big up yourself, Sophia Eternal. Thanks for, you know, this official sponsoring of this movie, all right? So, yeah, man, check her out. Thanks again, do the right thing. A family will say, you know what I mean? So, everybody who not get no notification, you know what to do. Subscribe, share, and thanks for all the comments. I highly appreciate it, all right? This is Public Report, and thanks for being a part of my journey.
You come to kill him, girl. If you know what me know, you go back through the same gate where you put your damn foot through. Before me set the dog them pan you. You not even know who you deal with.
No, so your dog gets served, okay? Just they are bark. I'ma leave. Sorry. Please, can you don't? That should be a problem. Let me know that should be a problem. Come on.
Just the same way.
So, you know that for me?
No, you go there.
Sorry.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
Which one?
Don't, that should just go.
Where did they? Samantha, go pick up from there. No, you may up further.
You can't stop across the arm, watch the dog for me.
You have to give me peace right now.
No.
Since you take shit.
More I put it so it can look like a shot like our boy, like you know.
Yeah. But more I catch piece of candy because she a catch.
Yeah.
Yes, sir?
Yes.
So, what does this damn thing, you know?
Are you going to put your hand?
You can't live upon the concrete part, you know.
Catch rackets. Vanessa, yeah. Catch rackets. You have it, sir?
I have a piece of candy.
Alright, good. Action.
You want me to set me dog pan you, girl?
You know what your dog gets served? Your dog gets served.
You know fi run, cause you're a bad girl. Come back up here, so, and I will show you where the dog there, you little dirty wretch. Me nah no born in me yard, don't come back over here, look, my brother, you little drunk crow.
You take a drunk girl for no one, idiot.
You shouldn't run, cause you're a bad girl.
That's crime, man. Come here, let me see you.
Dirty dog.
Yeah, see you. I'm not going to even try to call Javi right now because basically, I hear more and link up the idea.
Brother, you know, say me hungry though from morning, me know nothing.
So say you approach me?
What do you mean?
Boy, you're hungry for more.
I Javi first time. That's what Javi I look into. Or me just a deal. And they chat to you, then we come and take time and ask the money.
Ready.
Come again, all right.
But speaking about phone, my phone.
Must you live?
You have it?
What is this? You know what's happening?
No, keep it.
All right. So where when I say last part?
If you have 3 minutes, this need they are weird.
Yeah?
Yeah, like edge eye, You have it on your face, but you have to cover your face a little bit, so you have to know.
Alright, cool, no problem. Let's
So
find a way.
when I say last part, then me go ask you for money.
You remember when I say last part, no? So I call
No,
Javi.
you say you go call Javi.
Alright, ready? Action! So you know, me I call Javi. Because right now, me need to find out all of this situation from the horse's mouth. You understand? Me no want no hearsay.
Yo,
Yeah?
bro.
So angle where you angle.
Bro, you hear me? You hear me?
Yeah.
No, tell you no lie no. Right now, that thing me I look, cause right now me hungry, me don't eat from morning.
So I say you approach me now, soft
No, man, you
and
can't-
easy.
you just can't
Anything
get-
you want, things as you talk, you calm down.
Just buy me a food no, bro.
Buy your food, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me a bro now. Come in, man.
Public, you
Yeah, drink if you ever joke.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, drink if you ever
Me
joke.
drink some.
Jesus Christ. Come on, drink if you ever. Ready,
Alright,
ready.
come, alright.
Yo,
You
bro.
go look, Javi. Oh, you catch up on already?
Mm.
Alright.
Yo,
Ready?
bro. Yeah.
Yo, bro. Right now, me a big guy thing, you know. I'm not tell no lie from morning, me know you nothing. Then sometimes me hungry, me get hungry. I'm sorry for you talk to you so before, but I'm not tell me like, can't give me $15,000.
Javi, you can't do that, man. Step over there, man.
Javi do it.
Ready.
And Javi.
This is same thing. Step away, man. Backside you. Action.
Oh, watch out. Sure. Yo, bro.
You know, say you're troublemaker, first day troublemaker.
Oh, me know already. Me I wonder if you go remember, after me not go call me one name, and you a call me.
Troublemaker, where you
I
come
want to
from?
know if you remember if you call me.
I wonder if the man like you. Rough. Ready?
Action.
Candy if you kiss me, yes sir.
Sorry, I heard it. Oh.
I want to your face. Eh?
We have to do my face.
Troublemaker.
What?
I want what kind of trouble you put yourself in?
Oh,
Yes, sir,
this
yes, sir,
concern.
yes, sir. Come here, sir.
Remember say me go get trouble now, you know? Cause that me name, me have to play me role in that
And
movie.
then you and Chief, you
have
walk
to play
up.
me name role in that movie.
What me do this, sir?
Oh, they fighting in the movie.
Go fight again, don't worry yourself, but fight now, go on.
And me have to make a girl like trouble them in there.
Exactly, you're a troublemaker.
Mm.
Alright, so you're ready now. So I see you call him, come.
Mm-mm.
You wanna come?
No, mother. Stand up there, so. Then we walk around, they have sense.
No, but I do that, you know.
They better walk out, I see. They make out and trouble nobody. And this is how you go trouble there. See cover here, big. Walk around there, so no come here, so.
So you take time, step back in the scene, yeah? Yeah. Yeah? Ready?
Hey,
What minds of
Hey,
my phone? That's a big one.
Ready?
Down my phone and drop.
Candy, come on there, see. Come on there, see. Move. Just touch your face, touch me there.
Touch it right now.
Touch my face.
But apart of you, me and say why you're not.
Carry on, sir. No, camera, not the...
Alright, sorry. Make
You
me
hold
back
this,
to
sir.
use this and put it on. Alright, go on.
You see me?
Yeah, your head not cut off.
Everything good there, sir?
Yeah.
Alright, right there, sir. So step back, one, two. Hi, public report. Public.
Oh, you walk
Yeah,
on.
ready?
Where did they start?
Ready?
Tight now.
Ready?
Tight
so may I go?
Yeah, come on, sir. Ready?
Move from there.
Action. Oh, Jesus. Come again.
Why me I see party? I mean, if you see no party, you don't talk.
Yeah.
In there. Move your hand.
Step back.
Right.
Ready? Action.
Hi,
Hey.
my uncle-in-law. Favorite.
You okay. Come here
Public,
one day.
right?
Yeah, man, public. So what you doing in this area?
Just a general walk. I like to walk, you know?
There you go. Yeah, man. Ready? Perfect. Understand this. He just gets so serious for me like, I don't understand. What is happening?
What have I done?
I don't understand it. I'm lost.
Why is it that you're trying to create problem? Why? Why are you seeing poison and drinking poison? Why? I'm talking about Javi.
Javi.
Your nephew, my man.
But what about Javi? I don't understand what you're talking about. You're confusing me right now.
You're very confusing yourself. Listen, I'm aware that you public
whatever you want call yourself, but a public reporter or public, I understand say you. I make my man straight. Why?
Me make a man straight. Oh, you talk? I don't understand. All right, listen to me. Listen.
I heard the voice. I was the one who text you. I text you, you know. And
Text
it's
me?
I text you.
No, this is the reason why, you see, if you get a text there, side woman no mean say, you know, say, because every time you approach about side woman, you think about sex. I'm not thinking about that. I'm thinking about somebody you can talk to, a side friend. Stay right there. Stay, please. Stay. Hold on. Me next to myself first. And then
Grab your phone from your son.
and all these things. Hold on. So actually, so.
Like, if you take a picture,
So-
after you take it, grab your phone.
No, hold on. More explain the difference between side woman and side girl and all these things, right? Action.